Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Naomi Whitney. If you're new here, this is a fashion and styling channel, so if you're into all of that cute stuff, make sure you like, comment and subscribe. I release new videos every Monday, so make sure you turn on the notification bell so you never miss a video. This video is going to be a heat unboxing, as you can see. See if you can get a cute little thumbnail. This box is so big, like I can't even get it in the frame. But yeah, it's a heat unboxing. Now heat is a luxury fashion mystery box. They're claiming to be one of the only luxury fashion mystery boxes out there. You pay like a set amount. I think it's usually from like £299 to £500, and it's just like filled with like luxury bits. You can either go like streetwear, so like Off-White, Heron Preston, or more like contemporary, so Loewe, Jill Sanders, stuff like that. So yeah, this box was a Yeezy box, so you're guaranteed a pair of Yeezy trainers within there, which I was super excited about. I kind of have my mind on a pair of Yeezys that I want, which I'm trying to manifest into this box. And I think that's the thing with these mystery boxes, isn't it? Like, you never know what's really inside, so is it really going to be worth your money? Are you really getting the bang for your buck? So we'll see. Like, I hope I get some cute bits. I hope that I actually like and will actually wear some of the stuff in here. We're going to do like a little try on of the bits and pieces that are in here. So let's get into it. I'm excited. I'm excited to see what's in here. Like, I love opening things. Like, I really want to do more unboxes on my channel because I've always just been fascinated with open boxes. I just don't know why. Okay, so let's see what we have in here. So it comes in this great box. Oh my gosh, it smells really nice. I feel like they've sprayed aftershave in it. So yeah, like you got all of the little things. What does it say? And I think it says streetwear is a culture encapsulating fashion, art, music, creating its own ideology.
Okay. Whatever that means.
Deep shit. Got this little thank you for shopping at Heat little thing. Something smells proper nice. Like, I can't tell you what it is. It's like an aftershave. Like, it's just sex. It's just sexy. I don't know what it is. Whoever sprayed up this bag, honey. They knew what they was doing. Ooh. So, ta-da! It comes like in this little cute little zip thing. I love this. Yo, I'm a sucker for packaging, so I love anything that's gonna come within packaging. And I know we're trying to save the planet, but you know, we love a good unwrap. Like, Pass the Parcel was my favourite childhood game. Like, I like the layers, I like the mystery. I see. Okay, the first thing that we're gonna pick is, ooh, we got this cute Givenchy hat. Do you know what? I wear a lot of black and white, so I kind of like this. I wonder if it's reversible. Let's have a look. Yeah, I was actually kind of thinking to buy a hat. I wanted to get one of the Chanel ones, to be honest. Like a Chanel, like, little cashmere beanie. But, yeah, I've got this now. Tag. I think it's probably just got, like, spare thread. That's what they usually keep in here, right? Oh no, it's just a little booklet. A little care package, but sometimes they keep like little spare buttons and threads in these things. But yeah. Is it reversible? No, it's not reversible. It's just a little hat. Should we try it on? Am I a hat person? Should we try it on? Okay, let's go. Do you know what? How do you even put on hats? Is that cute? I think hats are like, you have to bring your hair forward for a hat. Do we like this? Is this cute? Yeah, guys, I think I'm really fucking with it. It's kind of cute. Kind of cute, kind of simple. But yeah, I think I like it. I think I like it. What else do we have in here? Ooh. Some Off-White. Let's get this hair back to how it should be, okay? Can't be looking crazy, can we? Yeah, so then we've got this little Off-White. I think it could be a mask. I think it's a COVID mask. And if it's pink, yeah, I'm gassed. I'm gassed. It is. It's a little pink off-white COVID. Wait, are the straps supposed to be like that? I thought it was like... How do you put this on? I thought the straps went on the side. How do you put... I thought it would go like this. But why are the straps like this? Like... That's a bit weird. Like, am I supposed to put it... What does it say on the tag? Mask leaflet. That's all it's saying. It's got no pictures on how to put this on. I think it goes like this. Like, you wear it like... You put it over your head like... Oh, like that. Okay. Yeah, so we got a little cute mask. Obviously, you know, the world is riddled with corona right now. So I guess it's kind of cute to have like a washable mask. And it's pink, one of my favourite colours. So that's kind of cute. What else do we have here? What is this? Oh my gosh, an off-white belt. I'm sure these are dead. Am I looking at a fossil? I feel like off-white belts are a bit dead. And not a bit dead, they're very dead. Like, what am I supposed to wear this with? Yeah, like, off-white belts are very 2012. So, the mask, okay, fair enough. Everyone needs a mask now, it's corona. That was something that I think you could have put in there. The Givenchy hat, yeah, cute. It's like a plain monochrome hat. The colour works, I'll probably wear it. This belt, it's like, I know this was leftover stock that you haven't got rid of because no one's buying these anymore. And I'm not really going to wear this. Anywho, let's move on to what we really want is the Yeezys. Now these are the 380s Azure. Oh my gosh, are they the ones that I want? Are they the ones? Should we see? Should we see? Azure's blue in it. I basically wanted the blue Yeezys, but I'm sure they were the 700s. So if these are any other ones, then oh no, I like these. Do I like these? Do we like these? I like them. I basically wanted the Yeezy 700s. They were kind of like blue. I'll try and insert a picture for you to see, but I guess it's a good gym shoe, a good run around shoe. Goes with the top that I'm wearing, I guess, if you're wearing all brown. Okay. Colour scheme and that. Cute little Yeezy boost. So 380s. Let's try them on and then see. Like, let's get like an actual thing, because maybe I prefer it more on my foot than seeing the actual thing, do you know what I mean? I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little bit disappointed. Obviously, just because I kind of had an idea of what trainers that I wanted. And I saw that Azure and I got excited because I thought it was going to be the ones that I really wanted. They're not bad, and I'm not gonna, you know, I don't want to seem ungrateful, especially with whatever's going on right now, and I don't want to seem like a little sport brat, because this is not what this is. Like, this is just like fashion and, you know, fun, trivial stuff. But yeah, I think my most favourite thing is the hat. Do you know what? We're gonna make them work. We're gonna make them work. I think it's a great like run around shoe. Great for a bit of, you know, cash run around, or even a gym shoe. Could be a great gym shoe. This was them. The boosts. Can you see the sadness in my eyes? I'm joking, I'll get over it. The hat's my favourite. Just because I was looking to get like a Chanel little beanie, as it's super cold right now in England. It's just mad. Then I say, like, for practicality wise, this little off-white face mask, it's gonna get rinsed. The hat's gonna get rinsed. That little face mask is gonna get rinsed. That off-white belt, that ain't ever gonna get used, mate. Like, that is, they're messed up with that. Like, why are you giving people old belts? Like, no one wears off-white belts anymore. Like, that was dumb. The shoes, I'm sure if any other person got these in their box, they would have been happy. I was expecting a different shoe, but that was just me probably having like too much expectations and things that I wanted out of the box. But yeah, I'm still happy nonetheless. Like, I think it'll make a great gym shoe, like a great run around shoe. I kind of like these earthy tones as well. I've got obviously like this little Skims body that it goes perfectly with. So yeah, I feel like we can fuck with these, you know what I mean? I'm just being a brat, and I'll say when I'm being a brat, like, I ain't ashamed. So overall, how do I rate the Heat box? I think for what you're spending, it's hit and miss, in it, because there's some things in here that I really like and some things that I don't, and I'm never gonna wear. So it's a bit because if you were spending the money on something you'd buy for yourself, you're obviously going to buy something that you really like. So it's a bit hit and miss. Obviously, again, with the trainers, it wasn't exactly what I wanted, but it's a mystery box. Like, I can't pick what I want, so you can't really fault it. And it's still cute, and it's, do you know what I mean? It's still a good shoe. It's still a good collectors if you're into collecting trainers and stuff. So yeah, I think it wasn't too bad. Would I order from there again? Would I do a Heat mystery box again? Yeah, I think I want to do like a normal Heat box, so not with the Yeezys, and see what other bits and pieces that you can get in there. I think that would be quite interesting, and then also to do like a contemporary Heat box to see what they also get. Like, I would love to see what type of like luxury stuff that they put in the high-end one. But yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed unboxing all of these goodies with me and me being silly trying to try them all, try them all on. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.